Close.
Too much heavy.
Yeah, too much heavy. But heavy. Hers is not heavy. I bring the cake, I bring the salad, I bring all.
That's good.
So we can finish all.
So guys, we're going to work
Guys,
na.
problem here, too much big.
Too much food here, guys.
Ang dami nilang bit-bit.
Pwede mo nga ito.
Lah.
Makeup ko lang naman. Kaya mo, meron pa pala itong ganito. Hindi ko na.
Guys, hindi na maintindihan yung dadalhin.
Not good. Maybe this broken, that's why.
Yeah, you have to take care of it. Look, nice hair, oh, Messi.
Yeah, very the design.
I like that, yung when you wake up, I woke up like this. No combing, no everything. Ano, nag-vlog ka ba? Oh my God. Welcome to your vlog. Dati na to kay Lolit, yung sabi ko kamukha mo. Nasa terrace kami. Ang taas
Lolit
ba?
also coming?
No, 17th floor kami. Tapos sabi niya, welcome to my vlog, guys! Dumating ka sa ilalim mo yun.
Guys, mainit pero malamig ang hangin.
Ah, very nice cup.
Yala. She need to cover her face.
Cover my face.
Because the serum is expensive. You know that? Yeah. Wow, your shoes, guys. Guys, very nice.
Yes, very nice.
Mag-hi nga kayo.
Hi!
Jano?
Advance Happy New Year!
Yes, hi! Today so much.
Ipo-post mo ba yan?
Oo, ilalagay ko to sa YouTube.
Yeah. Welcome to Dubai! Happy... Kiss your face, kiss your face. Kisses you want. Red hot, red hot. Noong una akong kinatal, nag-banding kami ng bata. After, paulit-ulit niya nang kinakanta. Ginagaya niya kung anong ginagawa ko.
Papunta na kaming work. Medyo disyerto yung pinagdadaanan namin. Medyo may pinaka-disyerto. So, tiis ganda yan sila guys, tinan mo. You're so very mayaman today You're just too much glitters. Pizza.